Hi everyone, Chad Shaves here for the Razor Company. I'll be doing a shave and chat, so join me. And welcome back. Right, what we're using for this shave and chat, we're going to be using some, and I'm very excited for this, MMGP To Catch a Fox. There's the label. And I believe while this video is, while you can see this video, this is available at the Razor Company. And I'm stoked for you because this is made in the UK. And lucky for me, I'm from the UK and I've been using these soaps for a while now. I've got about 12 of them, but this is one of my favourites actually. This one and what was the other one? 2 seconds. The other one is, well, my second favourite is Lunchtime at the Club, which is also available at the Razor Company. But today we'll be using this one. And this is an amazing scent. I'm going to lather straight from the tub as well. This smells fantastic. If you like plum, this may be one for you. This is inspired by Tom Ford's Plum Japonais, I think that's how you say it, which is discontinued now. But this is an amazing scent. So I'll be using this soap today. We'll be using the matching splash. There it is. And brush of choice is going to be from the Razor Company. And I think it's called the Cherry Royale or Royale Cherry, one of them. Just spin it around. And here it is. Fantastic handle on this. I just love it. And there it obviously says the Razor Company. Synthetic knot. I think it's a 24 mil. I think. I'm not too sure. It could be a 26. But I'll be using that and put it in the sink. Razor of choice is going to be from Wilde and Harte. And it's from, well, it's called the Line of Kings. And here it is. It's a stainless steel razor. Fantastic razor this is. Made in Sheffield, England. It's got their brand underneath. Like so, I hope you can see it. And inside this, which I'm going to load right now, is going to be a Tatra blade. Obviously a Tatra blade. I love Tatra blades. I'm just opening it up and I'm going to show you this razor. So that's the base plate, what it looks like. All stainless steel. Hope you can see okay. It's like a mirror finish. And that's the other side if you want to see that. And then the top cap. Look at that. Fantastic. Long thread on it. That's the top cap. Really shiny. And it's quite a heavy razor as well. I just love the handle. How it's like the hexagon, is it? I think it is. Really good. So I'll be using that. I'm going to load it up. And yeah, to catch a fox. A fox. Mr. Murray's grooming products. As I say, I've been waiting for you guys to get this, to be honest. And I'm so happy that you can actually get it from the Razor Company now. You won't be disappointed in it. The bases, I think, if I can remember right, I think it uses like a lot of different butters. I can't remember if is it 7 different? It could be more than that. I think it's 7 different butters, but I think it's more than that, to be honest. Should have done my research. So I'm just loading the razor up now with a Tatra blade. Right, here we go, lock that in. Put a washer over it, don't want to scratch it though. Because it's highly polished, it's easy to scratch. And there's no overhang on this razor. So if you like that kind of under your nose where, get right under, it might be one for you. So there it is, that's what I got it directly from Wilde and Harte. I forgot the name. Wilde and Harte. I got it direct from them. And they threw in a leather pouch, which was nice. Anyway, I'm short rambling. Let's get on with the shave. Right, I'm going to open this up. Really, really nice. Yeah, I think there's a few butters in it anyway. I think there's about 7. Could be more than that, I think. I'm sure it'll be in the description. So I'm going to load up now. So I'm going to use straight from the tub. That'll be enough. I know it will be. Get a nice wet lather in there. It's all down my arm. There you go, that'll be fine. I can always go back if I need to. Wet the face. Mix straight onto it. As I say, been lucky enough in the UK to get this soap. He's been around a while, to be honest. I mean, he was making, I'm talking about Graham from MMGP. He was making soaps before he was in the UK. He was living in Russia, I believe. And he was making stuff out there. And then he's come back to the UK now. And he lives in Scotland. Look at this stuff. Yeah, you'll get a fantastic lather with this. You don't need much, I tell you. Scent strength on this soap for me, what I get, is about a 6. It's really nice. Get it on there. As you can see, it does lather up really nice. Did the bristles. Too much lather now. Really nice. Yeah, I hope you're having a fantastic day, wherever you're doing. You know, if you are working, hopefully it finishes quick for you, you know. I'm gonna go with that. Really nice. Right, here we go. Clean the mouth. Or clear. We don't clean it, do we? Not with this shaving soap. Right, here we go. Quick rinse. Clean these. And here we go. First pass with the grain. This razor is a mould razor. It has got M underneath it. I meant to say that. It means it's an M plate, which is mild. So if you want a, you know, if you've got a lot of like coursed hair and stuff like coarse hair, this, you can just put a feather blade in or a koi blade and it will give you a really close shave. But it is made for like everyday shavers really, if you like shaving every single day. Really nice that. And the slickness on this soap is amazing. Really nice, I tell you. So what have I been doing today? Well, I've been to work. My face is like a beetroot at the moment because it's freezing outside. So yeah, I've been outside all day. And that's why my face is bright red. And if you guys want to, you don't have to. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Chad Shaves, and also I'm on Instagram. So if you want to have a look, you can. Amazing first pass. So slick, it's unreal. Right, a bit of water on the top now. That's how I do it. Put some of this on. I say I loaded the brush, but as you can see, straight to it again. Love this brush as well. I'll tell you what, this was quite cheap. I don't know if you still get it. I can't remember the price of it. But it's one of my favourite synthetic brushes. It weren't that expensive either. I can't remember what knots in it, to be honest. Smacking it about a bit, aren't I? That'll do. Ready for the second pass. We're going to go across the grain now, get under that nose. Here we go. Light pressure, that's all you need. I love this handle, because obviously it goes in a little bit, so you can just hold it a little bit, like, just with your, like, at the end of it. It's quite good. Right, here we go. Really nice. I love this scent. As I say, this is my favourite out of all the Mr. Murray's grooming products. There's also Asgard Casino, which is still made by Mr. Murray's grooming products. It's just a different like line. Amazing, amazing soap, it really is. Wow, 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 wow. bugging me now, that soap. I mean, not the soap, the butter. I'm sure there's more than 7. Could be 12 butters. Could it be 12? Could be 12. But the base is fantastic. I say, the slickness is unreal. Still keep going on it though. So slick. You won't be disappointed if you try it anyway. He does do EDPs. I've got the EDP to this as well. But I don't think it's available just yet at the razor company. I'm sure it will be, you know, if it's, you know, if you guys like this stuff. I mean, it is amazing stuff. I can't rave about it anymore. Let's say I wouldn't have 12 if I didn't like it, you know what I mean? I think I was gifted 2 when I brought one. When I brought a few, sorry, I remember buying some and then he threw one in to say thank you kind of thing, so which was really nice. But the rest of them I brought. Same with the shaving brushes, I brought all them as well. Not being gifted or anything like that. It was just 2 soaps and I can't remember what it was called. This is fantastic. Look at this. Right, we're going to go with it. It's going everywhere. I'm going to go against the grain, 3rd pass and final pass. You don't need to do 3 passes, but for me, I like to do 3 passes just to know I've got everything. You know, as you progress, if you're new to this and you progress like shaving, you might only need a 2-pass shave. You know, it just depends how your growth is. I like to do a 3-pass shave. Just because I like to talk. Talk your heads off. Yeah, I've got my Razor Company t-shirt. This is a soft t-shirt. You can get these from the Razor Company, obviously. But they're still available, that's what I'm trying to say. Well, how good this razor is, like, you know, I haven't used it for a while. Really good razor, this is. Really good. There's different handles as well. Somebody said that this could be like an Edwin Jagger kind of head. It isn't, it really isn't. This is stainless steel all the way through. Oh, I've got a little nick on my neck. I've got a little, what do you call it? Skin coloured mole, that's what it is. I always catch it. Not always, but 9 times out of 10, that's the problem. That's nice there. Right, I'm just going to go underneath my nostrils. Got it. Happy days, look at that. So nice. Right, quick rinse. And see where we are. Got it in my ear holes. I'll just push it down my ear hole. There you go. It's all over my nose. Happy days. Right, where's my white towel? Here it is. I don't know why I have a white towel. I want to cut myself. You want a darker towel, really, Chad? Come on. Look at that. 3 days growth there was there. It's just took it straight down. And this, I can still feel it on my skin. Really, really slick. Anyway, we're going to go into the splash. Because I can talk for England, let me tell you. Give it a shake. This is an alcohol base, I'm sure it is. Yeah, it is. Right, here we go. I love the scent of this. We're going to a different world now. You've got to smell this. I'm telling you, smell that. So it's plum, saffron and oud. I should have said that at the beginning, but on Mr. Moreau's grooming products, the labels always say at the bottom. There you go, at the bottom. Really nice, like this one, which is also available at the bottom. At the bottom. Happy days. Right, I ain't got a matching balms. He doesn't make matching balms. But I am going with Zingari Man unscented today. So just pump a little bit of that on there. There you go. Wipe across your face. Well, that little weep has stopped. I'm shining now. But it'll soon disappear and go into my skin. And that was a fantastic shave. Highly recommend Mr. Murray's grooming products. That's the reason why I've done this video today. Because I've used it and I can't rave about it anymore. I really can't. But anyway, if you want to get yourself some, go to the razor company. They've got some still available. And yeah, that's all it is for me. I'll hopefully you have a fantastic day and get yourself some MMGP. So I'll see you soon and see you later.